Yesterday I was listening to this famous song by Big Geese. This song is only words and words that all I have to take your heart away. Oh, I got so nostalgic when I heard this song. This song made me think the importance of words. It plays an important part in our life. In a way, what we say to ourselves and what the society tells us shapes us. Don't you think so? I would like to share my perspective on this. Next time, when you criticize yourself, like, I can't even do this much, or you want to say that I am not capable of doing this, think of the times when you did many things which you did not praise yourself for doing so. Don't let words make your vision of your own personality look smaller. Try and make yourself look better, positive, and more powerful in your own eyes. I feel that this is too illogical. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Life is very difficult. But look around you. There are so many life coaches teaching you about manifestation, about positive words. Those are the powers of words and belief. Remember this always.